welcome back. Now, have you ever wondered what makes a video an online hit? You are about to find out.
Sunrise consumer correspondent Sean White is here. How do you break the internet, Sean?
I'll tell you, this is fun though, a little trip down memory lane. There are a few key ingredients which you're about to find out, and we also have a few tips and tricks, you know, for building your own brand.
From music videos
Oppan Gangnam Style
to unexpected moments caught on camera.
Ow! Ow, Charlie! Ow!
We're starting to enter this moment where entertainment was increasingly, and popular culture was increasingly defined by what was happening online, and that was one of the first ones that everybody kind of knew.
Charlie.
You may remember the viral one she did.
Kevin Alaka is the head of culture and trends at YouTube, and his job is to study viral videos.
On the one hand, they're often very unexpected, they're surprising, they're unlike things that we've seen before. There are also things that are spreading because people are participating, they're engaging in some way, that you have something to say about it, or there's some way to react to it immediately.
And it needs to spread fast. Kevin's favourite viral video of all time is a simple reaction from a man seeing a double rainbow.
Oh my God, it's full on! Double rainbow all the way across the sky!
The defining quality of online video in 2018 is actually the sort of creators and channels that have emerged that cross a wide range of, just in Australia, beauty, gaming, education, science.
And popular YouTubers are getting paid to do it. Consider this, in 2016, more than 100 Australian YouTube channels earned more than $100,000. And more than 2,000 channels earn between $1,000 and $100,000.
Content creators today, it's all about trying to monetize your content, and building a personal brand is the best way to do that.
People are wanting to express themselves, and so they're creating content, and they're mostly creating content on their mobile devices.
But there are two other areas where you can up your game without spending a fortune. Rode Microphones is an Australian audio company that supported YouTubers right from the start. They have a range of options that allow you to record great quality sound directly on top of your camera.
That's everywhere from a professional camera like this one here down to shooting on your iPhone, where we have a product called the VideoMic Me L that enables you to even get great audio like your favourite YouTubers.
Michael Stoddart is the Director of Digital Media at Adobe Asia Pacific. Their latest app is Premiere Rush, an all-in-one video editing program. It's available on your tablet and smartphone and built to simplify the video editing, motion graphics and audio mixing capabilities of more professional software.
And as you can see, it's all touch oriented. Then of course I can also add a title.
At its basic level, the app is free. And if you want some free advice on how to create quality content,
If you don't have a point of view, a sort of something that you care deeply about that you want to engage with other people on, you will never find success.
Yes, I mean, these days you've got parents quitting their jobs to follow their kids around who are making money on YouTube.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that.
As someone who spends their entire life trying not to go viral, I find that extraordinary.
Yeah.
It's overrated. All right, thank you, Sean. Well.